ripot mara oro to kod ngaji warita luorawa mondo gik makamagi kik jukwa. Wadhi weche motenore kod Miguna wacho ni odhi manyo ratiche e sand mane okale lwet piny owacho mokalo mano riembe pachuka. Koe paondeke ma Kisumu odhiambo makawuono Miguna wacho ni kata bed ni giko ne oduoge pachuka okodhi weyo nono sand mane okale ka osingo yudo ratiche. Miguna dhi bedo gi nyasi mar rwake tok dhi e piny Canada dwe mar adek higa ma 2018.
I want to extend my gratitude to His Excellency Dr. William Samoei Ruto for lifting the red flag that had barred my brother not to even enter even a KQ. Today, wherever he is, we are grateful as the people of Kenya and the people of Kisumu County. And therefore, my brother, this is your day.
As I arrive in Kisumu, I would like to state and underline the significance of the rule of law and the principle of constitutionalism. This country must be governed by the rule of law. We will seek and get justice, because without justice there can never be reconciliation and there can never be peace. Peace must be based on justice.